Alright, so I don't know how well this is going to show up on here, but it sounds really nice. It's got some nice low end. Pretty good for $1 for the speakers. The Bluetooth module was, I think, 25 bucks. Yeah, I think that works pretty good. I think I'm gonna figure out some kind of handle on the top, be able to move it. It's not very heavy, which is nice. And then once I get the battery situation figured out, I'm going to take it outside when we're working and cleaning up the yard. Alright, well, when I go to do the battery, probably tomorrow, I'll go ahead and start recording again. Alrighty, bye.